Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the brand new 2019 Chevy Colorado. This is a four-wheel drive Z71 crew cab that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. As you can see here, we have made some accessory improvements by adding a tri-folding tonneau cover, side window deflectors, a 5-inch rectangular assist step, and then when it comes to the front, we have a molded hood protector. Apple Chevrolet has added over $2,000 in accessories to this vehicle and is offering it for more than $3,000 below MSRP. If you're interested in purchasing a Colorado or maybe adding some accessories to your vehicle, Apple Chevrolet is the place to be. Thanks for watching my video. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. You guys have a great day.